Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. In this video, I'm going to talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas which involves contract marriage between our OTs. As always, do check the description box for more information. Just give this video a like and do comment below that which drama list you want to watch next. And now let's get to it. Number 10. Time flies and you are here. Their destinies were tied together due to a contract marriage. She is an ordinary girl who believes that women have a right to education too. He is a prince who needs to live up to his reputation of being lazy and unskilled. Shi Xiaoman unintentionally offended Zhao Xiaoxian, the famous Zulu prince of the Wuxian manor. Because of a setup, the two enter into a contract marriage, leaving Xiaoman no choice but to marry into the royal family. Expected to remain as an insignificant prince his entire life, can Zhao Xiaoxian become a general with the courage and capability to protect his country? Despite coming from ordinary beginnings, Shi Xiaoman is also determined to find her path. From clashing endlessly to gradually opening up to each other, Zhao Xiaoxian and Shi Xiaoman overcome many obstacles together as they learn to love and support each other as husband and wife. Number 9. Marry Me. Musician Zumoer's carefree life comes to a devastating halt when her music teacher Siboin is murdered and she loses her sight. Wishing to find justice for her teacher, she proceeds to investigate his death. Her research keeps her crossing path with Long Yu, the capital's richest man. He is sly, arrogant, and possesses a sharp tongue. He is known for valuing money more than life itself. Meanwhile, a married man is pressuring Zumoer into a marriage she clearly rejects. In order to keep her unwanted suitor at bay, she possesses the contract marriage to Long Yu, to which he surprisingly agrees. As they pursue the murderer's true identity together, their fake marriage develops into the real thing. Number 8. Midsummer is full of love. Luo Tiandian is a fiercely independent and strong-minded young woman with a high sense of self-worth and dreams of making a splash in the music industry as a songwriter. However, due to some ill-fated interventions from a pair of her friends, she ends up having to move out of her house. Fate intervenes and her path crosses with a pop superstar named Jin Zei, who comes across as something of a spoiled brat. Despite his cold exterior, he is actually secretly childlike and needy. The duo is forced to live in the same house on a temporary basis. At first, it seems they will never see eye to eye as their personalities are so very different. However, over time, Luo Tiandian gradually falls for Jin Zei's charm and the feelings become mutual. Could love bloom between this decidedly odd couple? Number 7. Please Love Me. A popular idol and a manicurist fall into a romance with an expiration date when they have to pretend to be married. Two different people leading different lives cross paths due to a scheme around a candid camera incident. To deal with the aftermath, pop star Ihan and manicurist Pei Yu, who has always dreamed of buying her own house, enters into a contract marriage. From strangers who wanted nothing to do with each other, the pretend couple eventually develop real feelings. However, reports of their agreement leak to the public. Furthermore, a conspiracy that has been brewing for a long time comes to the surface. Can Ihan still prove that his heart is true? Number 6. Hold On My Lady. The domineering female bandit Bayun Feng led Chen Dawan and her brothers in a vain attempt to hijack the birthday gift given by General Xu Shao to Shang Shuhubu. However, they fumbled and were caught by General Huang Fu, who gave her two options: be executed or get married to his second son, Huang Fuyao, under the disguised name Lu Wanra. The contract husband Huang Fuyao then embarked on a vigorous journey of sweet love. Number 5. You Are My Destiny. On board a cruise ship bound for the Bahamas, two people from separate worlds have a chance encounter, transforming them into one another's destiny. The mousy and unassertive admin assistant Chen Jiaxin meets the handsome, educated and charming Wang Shi, hired to a large conglomerate. Mistaken identities serve to complicate their impromptu one-night stand, which ensures further contact once back on land. Family pressure arises from the pregnancy that has Jiaxin agreeing to contract marriage with a divorce clause. The child once born will remain with CE, who will marry the woman he loves dancer and a longtime girlfriend, Shiana. Meddling and miscommunication lead to a tragic event. Heartbroken Jiaxin runs away from her feelings and CE to Hungary, where her friend and art broker Dailan is headquartered. Over the following 3 years, she will establish herself as a potter thanks to the tutelage of a prominent mentor. Dailan is ever supportive and finds himself developing feelings for Jiaxin. Depression from Jiaxin finds CE maturing into someone certain of desiring a family. Meanwhile, he must fend off all the advances of the delusional Lana who is plotting to get him back. Dailan remains steadfast in his quest to locate his long lost sister with whom he was separated as a child. Fate and a business deal will reunite Jiaxin and CE in Hungary as their shared history and future possibilities converge. It's as if they have never been apart. Number 4. Oh My Sweet Liar. Xiong Shiryu is a young female painter who infiltrates the family home of the powerful Li family to paint a copy of a precious item. However, her escape from the Li family goes horribly wrong and she finds her fate at the mercy of Li family heir Li Hongbin. On the verge of arrest, Li Hongbin and Xiong Shiryu hatch a lie. They pretend that she is pregnant with his child. This arrangement suits Li Hongbin fine as a marriage with Xiong Shiryu will help him escape an arranged marriage with the daughter of the Song family, a union he is particularly keen to avoid. The Li family grants its consent for Li Hongbin and Xiong Shiryu to get married, but it is not long before some relatives and the plotting Song family begin to suspect that the pregnancy is fake. Meanwhile, as Li Hongbin and Xiong Shiryu spend more time in each other's company, they begin to develop a growing fondness for one another. Could love bloom between the pair, and can they survive or even though what? The schemes at the court. Number 3. My Heroic Husband. A modern businessman travels back to the ancient times. He lands in the body of a man about to be married as a matrilocal husband into a family of cloth merchants. He then begins incorporating modern methods and ideas to help his friends and battle corrupt local businesses. Ultimately, he becomes involved in the affairs of the country and then the real story begins. Number 2. Begin Again. It tells the story of a domineering female CEO and a warm doctor who turn a fake relationship into reality due to some practical reasons. Having exchanged their I-do's, they start on a new chapter of their lives as they learn to fall in love. Lu Fangning is the general manager of Luning Group, a large corporation in the business of home furniture. Lu Fangning is a woman who has it all, talented, beautiful, as well as rich. Nearing her 30s, Lu Fangning comes to the family pressures and decides that she urgently needs a husband with whom she will have a child. Coincidentally, Surgeon Ling Rui appears in front of her. Ling Rui is not only blessed with good looks but also has an angelic heart, which makes him the perfect candidate in the eyes of Lu Fangning. She schemes her way to his life and they finally become husband and wife. Lu Fangning eventually realizes the error in her ways and strives to be better. However, keeping a marriage is not easy as it seems. Number 1. Perfect and Casual. This story revolves around the cold and icy male god, Professor Zhang Xinyan, and the calm and sunny Yunshu. After a fractious first meeting, where Yunshu raced down the specially finicky Xinyan, she was shocked to find out that he was in fact her university lecturer. Through a series of coincidental encounters, the two agreed to engage in a contractual marriage. As the feelings between them grow, how will they keep their relationship a secret from all of those around them? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.